Okay, what you have is you get a flashing light, you're in the spin mode, you got 10 minutes remaining, but the system will not work, and this thing is full of water. I don't know if you can see it, the water turned blue somehow. Um so it will not drain, and even if you put it in the drain and spin mode, still same thing. And reason for it is your pump, the propeller on it, the impeller, is full of debris because the stuff we put in the washer had a lot of debris in it. And now we need to get to that uh, pump, open it up, clean it up, put it back. And the way you do that is you have to tilt the machine on its back and get from underneath. And what do you do with the water that is in there? You get your drain hose and put a shop vac on it. We're going to put a vacuum cleaner right here, the wet and dry vacuum cleaner, and suck the water out is the way I'm going to do it. Otherwise, if you don't have a shop vac, you can just get a bucket and empty this thing. Now, the floor of this house, sorry for all the mess, this is a laundry department. The floor has a drain, so if the water gets on the floor, there is a drain underneath this dryer that will take care of the problem. So that's the first thing you got to do is drain the water. But it will cost you nothing, just muscle. Bye. Okay, bring every tool you got, because once you go behind this area, you have to go over there and undo that vent, open it up, and get the dryer out. And so bring all the tools because it's very difficult. Also, you want to put something on top of the dryer, like this, to protect it from denting. These dryers will dent real good. This will spread the load. So whatever you can find to spread the load is what I recommend, because you have to step over here to get back there, and you do not want to dent it. It's real easy dent. Okay. Okay, we managed to damage the tube. Not only we pulled this side, it's also crushed on this side. This is the drain we're going to be using shortly to dump the water. And we're going to pick up all these debris. A lot of coins. Okay, the hose. Apparently when you lower it, it will start siphoning. And if you need to use a shock vac to start it, and once it starts going, you lower it here, so it's draining in its own, and that will make the machine lighter. So anyway, it was easy. Okay, use a tool to get the stubborn faucets open and closed, and get this open and closed. Okay, so you're going to need this too. Okay, if you see these fine particles have gone through the filter, these little holes in your washer, and that is causing the impeller to jam and not spin anymore. I don't know what happened here, but something exploded. Something disintegrated. Maybe there was paper, I don't know. So that's the reason it wouldn't drain. But once we clean that out of the impeller, the pump should come on. Okay, your instruction booklet right here if you ever need to look it up. And here's the impeller. We're going to take these screws out right here. And right here, this part needs to come out. And look like a Phillips screwdriver is all you need, I believe. Yep. So let's see. I did not have debris, but I had sand, and the propeller wouldn't spin because it had too much sand on it. It is spinning now, and I need to make sure it will spin when I put it back in. So anyway, that's it. These screws. Put it back in, and you should be, and this is where it goes. From the other side goes to the drain, and hopefully that will take care of us. Okay, we're going to put the machine on a drain. Too much close here. Anyway, we're going to put it on drain, and we're going to test to see if the water will shoot up from the hose, and it should. There it goes. Spin light is on. Before it wasn't doing anything. Now it probably gonna, there you go. So we're back on. Oh my God, I gotta get this closer. Okay, when it comes time putting the dryer back, make sure you get this part done if you are in a cramped area, because you do not want to do it behind the dryer. You want to have it all done so you only got one connection to do. They're very pain in the butt, and you may have to do these cuts. See the cuts right there? If you don't have one on the hose, you may have to do the cut to make the connection smaller and do the cuts to get it in, and so it's easier to do it without the dryer. That's it. Everything is working. Good luck, and make sure you subscribe if I saved you. Hey, it's another day, and we finished the project, but I forgot to ask you to subscribe, so I'm asking you to subscribe or press like, whichever you like, up to you. But that will get us to motivate us to create more content. Always subscribe to the creators if you like them. So y'all have a great day, and we see you on the next project.